Parts of an Ambu bag. An Ambu bag has several important parts. 1. Face mask. Covers the patient's nose and mouth. 2. Mask cushion. The soft inflatable rim of the mask that ensures a tight seal on the patient's face. 3. Mask inflation valve. Allow proper inflation of the mask cushion for comfort and fit. 4. Expiratory valve. Releases the patient exhaled air safely. 5. Pressure relief or PEEP valve. Maintain positive and expiratory pressure to keep airways open. 6. Pop-off valve. Prevents excessive pressure and protect the lungs. 7. Self-inflating bag. The squeezable bag that automatically refills with air or oxygen. 8. Air inlet one-way valve and oxygen reservoir socket. Ensures one-way flow of air and connects to oxygen sources. 9. Air inlet and pressure release valve. Control airway and prevent overpressure. 10. Oxygen inlet and tubing. Connect the Ambu bag to an external oxygen cylinder or supply. 11. Reservoir bag. Stores extra oxygen to deliver high concentration breath. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Dr. How and tap the bell icon so you can never miss out on simple medical explanations.